In this video, I'll show you how to find all files with the same extension in a directory on Ubuntu. Let's say you want to find all the files that end with .txt inside a folder. You can do this easily with the find command. First, open your terminal. Now, type the following command, find. Type f, name, *.txt. Let me explain what this command does. The dot means we are starting the search from the current directory. Type F tells the command to look for files only, not folders. Name *.txt tells it to find all files that end with .txt. You can change .text to any other extension like jpg, or .log. The command works even if the files are inside subfolders. If you want to make the search case insensitive, use this command instead, find. Type F, iname *.txt. This will match files like notes.txt, todo.txt, and report.txt. So to sum up, the find command is simple and powerful. Just type find directory, type F, name, pattern, and you'll get a full list of matching files. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.